So when Bharat saw that Ram is not going to come back, then Bharat just took his shoes, wooden shoes, big shoes, carried those shoes back to the kingdom of Ayodhya and placed shoes of Ram on the throne. He did not sit on the throne. And keeping Ram's shoes as the Ram's presence there on the throne, he simply represented Ram and ruled over the kingdom for 14 years. I mean, in this way we can see, mind you, this is not a fiction. This is real happening. It's not just a story that was concocted by somebody's imagination. It is a real happening. All these personalities were real. And this way we can see how exemplary each one's behavior was. And in that sense, so it is presented by our exponents, our Acharya, spiritual teachers, that in a way Bharat's glory supersedes Ram's, in a way. Because Ram was leading the life of an ascetic in a forest, where the environment is perfect for that. Whereas Bharat, living in the palace, in the midst of this extreme luxury and comfort, he was leading the life of an ascetic. He did not eat any cooked food for these 14 years. He simply took uncooked fruits and nuts and roots. He didn't comb his hair. His hair became matted like an ascetic. He did not wear royal robes. He dressed himself with tree barks the way the ascetics live in the forest. So this is how we can see the perfect examples. The perfect example of a king in Lord Ram, perfect example of a wife through Sita, perfect example of brothers, Lakshman and Bharat, perfect example of a father in Dasarath,